Prepare for the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat to make a reappearance in Jordan Brand's Spring 2025 line. This edition, which was first released in June 2007 and is based on Michael Jordan's Black Cat nickname, is highly anticipated by fans. The Air Jordan 3 has patent leather overlays, an elephant design, and a nubuck upper. It is dressed in a sleek black and dark charcoal color scheme. Except for the white Jordan logo on the outsole, the all-black design is the main feature. The distinctive elephant design on the laces adds to the overall theme cohesion. The deal is sealed with a solid black rubber sole that has noticeable air units in the heels.